The GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven is a true workhorse for your kitchen. It's like having a team of cooking gadgets all in one sleek stainless steel box. This appliance can toast your breakfast and bake a cake for dessert. You can even broil chicken or roast vegetables with ease. The GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven offers amazing value and simplifies cooking. It truly earns its place on your kitchen counter. This GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven comes with some really handy extras. You get a ceramic tray and a pizza pan. These are PFOA and PFAS-free, so you can feel good about what you're cooking on. The adjustable racks let you cook different things at the same time. There are also many preset functions. These make it easy to cook your favorite foods with just the touch of a button. It's like having a computing system for your meals, ensuring perfect results every time. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking game, the GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven is a great choice. It doesn't take up a huge corner of your counter, yet it offers so many cooking options. You can create delicious meals with amazing flavor, layer upon layer. Forget about greasy strips of bacon cooked unevenly. This oven helps you achieve cooking perfection. The GreenPan brand is known for its quality, and this appliance lives up to that reputation. It's not just an oven. It's a cloud of cooking possibilities waiting to be explored. Pros: air fryer, PFOA, PFAS-free, ceramic tray, pizza pan, adjustable racks, multi-function presets. Toaster, bake, broil, roast, stainless steel cons. Can take up counter space, may cook slower for some, learning curve for presets, exterior can get hot, knob temperature increments, racks may not be sturdy, possible uneven cooking, could be smaller inside, price may be eyed high, cleaning some parts difficult features. 13-in-1 functionality, convection oven, air fryer, ceramic tray, PFOA, PFAS-free, pizza pan. Adjustable racks, multi-function presets, toaster function, bake capability. The GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven and Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance with 13 different functions, including convection oven, air fryer, toaster, bake, broil, and roast. It comes with a ceramic tray and pizza pan that are free of PFOA and PFAS, which are potentially harmful chemicals. The oven has adjustable racks to fit different food sizes and multi-function presets to make cooking easier. Its stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. You can use it to cook many things, like baking cookies or air frying chicken, and it's designed to be easy to clean. This GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven and Air Fryer is a versatile stainless steel appliance that can air fry, toast, bake, broil, and roast. It comes with a PFOA and PFAS-free ceramic tray and pizza pan, as well as adjustable racks and multiple preset functions. While it offers many uses and a non-toxic cooking surface, it might take up a good amount of counter space, could cook some foods slower, and may have a learning curve for its settings. Also, the outside can get hot. The temperature knob has set increments. The racks might not feel very strong, and there's a possibility of uneven cooking or a smaller inside space for some users, with the price being a potential downside and some parts being tricky to clean.